Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make abacha, like aka African salad. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious delicacy, continue watching. So here I have oba, shredded oil bean. Here I have chopped onions, ground crayfish, ogiri. This is a natural flavoring, salt, palm oil. This is pomo. I have pre-cooked this pomo with water and salt. Then here are the local spices I'll be using. Here I have ehu seed, control onions, janta, uziza seed, orima, and a fish seed. So I'll be grinding all this together, right? So this is the vegetable I'll be using. This is akwukwo fe, garden egg leaf, then seasoning cube. This is coarsely blended fresh pepper, and here is the abacha I'll be using. All right, this is the abacha. Make sure you drain it, drains water very well. So here are basically the ingredients. So I'm using the frying method. I've heated up the oil and I've added the chopped onions, and as you guys can see, I'm stirring. I've added the ground crayfish, shredded oil bean, pepper is in, the ogiri, I'm adding seasoning cube, salt, the local spices well grounded, so I've removed it from heat and I've added the pomo. Like I said, I've cooked the pomo with salt and water. Then I'm adding the abacha. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. So this is the fried method. I didn't use account. So this is a fast, quick, and easy method to make your African salad. So you're going to stir till well blended. Please, for the vegetables you're going to be using, make sure you wash with salt. Wash very well with salt water. It's very important. Wash thoroughly because you're chewing the vegetable raw. Alright. So the vegetable I used is garden egg leaves. So it's very nice eating it with African salad. So I've added some salt because it needed salt. Guys, try out this method, you're going to love it. Delicious. Delicious and tasty. Guys, this is it. Isn't this yummy? Guys, take a look at this. So delicious. Guys, make sure you try this recipe out. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Love ya.